Maabitha a borithi cia uthuthuria na marathuthuria gikuũ kia muonjoria Mary Wambui Kamangara ni mahetwo rutha ni igoti rwa guthie na mbere kuhingira ekuirwo atatu kwa ihinda ria thiku kenda ciukite mbere ya kumahingurira thitango. Kuringana na Inspector John Wahomero atongoria uthuthuria ucio, borithi mekubataraga kuongererwo thiku 14 niguo kurikirerio uthuthuria wa undu umwe na guthurima wigiririku wa ekuirwo ya kimeciria na DNA, no mucirithania Stella Atembo wa Igoti ria Kiambu anyihia thiku icio.
This is a weighty issue that needs time and due diligence before the relevant charges, if any, can be preferred. The same should be preferred, and if preferred, the same should be preferred against the right suspects. So the right people should be charged.
Ekuirwo ya ni muthuri wa mutigaire Joseph Kori, gacungwa gake Jude wa Ngui na mutwarithia wa tegithi uria wateithiririe wa Ngui gukua na gute mwiri wa mutigaire. Ona kuri uguo mawakiri ya ekuirwo ya ni mokirire mwena wa thitango kumana na kwaga kuhingurirwo thitango kwa ekuirwo ya.
Why 14 days when they had the 14 days and did nothing? I can tell you for a fact, apart from just clobbering my client senseless, the only thing they did is keep her in custody and give her food. And it's not very good food.
Your Honor, it is our submission that we will need the 14 days because we want to charge the suspects on merit.
Matongoretio ni wa Kili for better, ekuirwo ya marauga ihoto cio ni ciagararitwo ni undu wa kuhingirwo kwa ihinda iraya matahinguriirwo thitango. Oho wa Ngui ni agegirie igoti thutha wa kuga ni akoretwo akinyamario kimwiri ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Juja kuria akoretwo ahingiritwo.
So when counsel stands here and tells you that what I was saying is not true, how does he know that? Because he was here when I raised the issue, he wasn't aware of it. Has he even moved from here one step to consult? So how does he bring up that story that it is not true? How does he call me a liar about it? How can he even imagine?
I order as much that investigations be carried out into these allegations and a report be filed in this court by the prosecution at the next court appearance.
Kuringana na mbica cia CCTV ni ironania uria Wambui atindanirie na gacungwa ka murume na thutha ucio magithie nginya gwako muciĩ barabara-inĩ ya Kiambu Road kuria acokire kuragirwo.